My name is Marcel Ernie, and you're watching Zone Television.
So one of the things I really wanted to do was to be able to edit on my phone and upload from my phone on the go. Getting material and content from your phone or from your GoPro requires obviously purging the card or the memory of the data, importing it into iMovie and so forth. So I wanted to save a few steps, and what I've done was I've figured out, and it took me about 3 or 4 hours to figure out actually how to do this, but you can create movie projects in iMovie on your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus. And the way to go about doing that is first you want to create your intro and your outro on your laptop computer in iMovie, on your MacBook Pro in this case. Now once you're ready to render your piece, your intro and outro, you'll go up to the upper right hand corner and you're going to select the share button. You'll go to File, it'll bring up this menu. There's files missing from this because it was an old project I was working on. And you'll click on Create, then it'll bring you to this next pop-up window. I named this file Boundaries. Underneath the heading, you'll see ways to change the size of the file. Now you don't want the files too terribly big, only because that will eat up a lot of your iCloud space, and you don't want to use up a lot of space on your phone. So you have options to change the size of the file. Changing the size of the intro and outro, if you're using iMovie on the iPhone 6 or 6 Plus to create movies, to me is not a big deal. In the interest of saving space and time, I just reduced the size of those files anyway, because it wasn't imperative that they be high resolution or that high resolution. Now I didn't render the files directly to the iCloud folder. I saved them to a separate folder on a different drive, and then what I did was I transferred the files into the iCloud iMovie folder. Now I made sure that the file size was not too terribly big, and once you click on the file, it'll give you the data or the information on the file size in the underneath the thumbnail of the movie. Now, once you've got your files in the iCloud iMovie folder, you're going to go back to your iPhone, iCloud Drive. So that's where the files reside, and if you look, this is where they are. And, you just import them into the library, and then they appear in your library like this. See? And then you want to add that clip into your project. So you would hit this arrow, and what it does is it just drops it down into your into your timeline, which is what you want. Okay.